we are off. This is Sunday. I did not get up early. In fact, it's 12:20 p.m. in the afternoon. I'm sitting at home. I'm editing yesterday's video. And I'm not done with it yet. About halfway done with it. Just tired. I had all intentions of going out at 6 a.m. Nope, body said no. Dogs didn't wake me up until 7:30 this morning. So, I'm still groggy. I was gonna lay back down actually. And I thought I'll turn on Spark and Instacart. And what happened? When I'm thinking there's not going to be anything good, I'm looking through, it says everything's super high miles, 20 plus miles. Then this one popped up. So, double shop. We are headed to Walmart right now. Somebody feeling a little bit flagellant. Oh, that's why something was in the wrong space. Okay, let's go to the back and then we'll work our way. And there's something here on 26, also section 11. Gatorade. There it is. Also for A. Yeah, that took every bit of an hour. I'm earning my money for today at $40-some. I misread that. I didn't think it was that many items. Now I'm thinking about it, I think it was like 40 items for just one person. Customer B here doesn't have very much, 2 bags. That's it. We are 10 minutes away from the customer, but I have nothing but hot drinks in my cart. 90 degrees out. So, I'm grabbing myself a drink. Oh, tripped. Okay, here's the scoop. That took a while. The shopping took me well over an hour. Delivery, I did that pit stop. Here's one of my flavors, Ghost. And it says red, white, and blue popsicles. Very nostalgic. Tastes just like it. I needed something and I needed energy. But I probably got to turn on the other apps to see if I could get something on my way back to Walmart. Typically doesn't happen, but you never know, and there aren't any Walmart batches right now. $7.04, Lowe's. Customer verification. I don't do Lowe's pickups on Uber Eats. Because they're a mystery. They're a mystery. Belvern and Walmart. Additional pay if returns. $12.09, 17 miles. No. Okay. What did DoorDash have? $8. Red card, shop at Dollar General. 5 items. What are the items? I'm not loving that. We're going to do a decline. Decline. I gotta let you guys go because I'm getting chimed everywhere. At Giant Eagle. Only 3 items. 5 units. 1 customer. Low miles. Should knock this out in just a few minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. That's it. Going from one end of the store to the other also. Okay, got another Walmart order. $20.26, 5.3 miles, estimated to take 41 minutes. Easy shopping. Oh, I forgot to, it's DoorDash. What does DoorDash have? I can't do it. $11.65, 8 miles. I can't do it because I already accepted this Walmart pause orders. Okay, let's go.
Oh, the morning sun is rising over Mon Valley skies. Grandma Dasher's loaded up her cart with sweet supplies, with a banjo humming soft and low beneath the pines. She's sparking up the back roads, delivering our time. Take me home, down those dusty lanes, where the Walmart bags sway like a slow freight train.
22 minutes. That was it. We shot all this. They are almost out of bags. And you know what? There are a couple. I got an extra one. But that'll be for my next shopping trip. They said the Spark has been so busy today. So many Spark shoppers that they're running out of bags.
And again, from Washington to Brownsville, oh, she knows each turn, with a thermos full of coffee and my lessons she's learned. Kids run to meet her when they hear that sound, the Spark delivery coming to their part of town. Take me home, down those dusty lanes, where the Walmart bags.
I picked up this route of delivery, and where it leaves me, it's not too far from home. Probably not going to finish up till at least 8:30, 8:45. Depends on how long it takes them to come out with my order. Sitting at Walmart right now. If it takes too long, then I'm probably going to cancel this. But I hate to cancel it because look at that $12 incentive. It comes out to $101 and some change when you add on that incentive. And for 3 hours worth of work, that's damn good money. And for the miles, $2 per mile. That's why I took this one. There were a lot of other routes I could have chosen, but this was the best dollar per mile and bang for your buck. Bang for my buck. Okay, I'm not gonna wait on them to come out. Okay, I had another problem child package that wouldn't scan no matter what. And even when support tried to give me a new label, the new label wouldn't work either. And then they said, well, just have the store manager remove it from your route. They said, we can't do that, but you need a store manager to do that. Well, the store manager is like, can't remove it. We have no way of doing that. So I'm like, so what the fuck do I do? You know, I can't do the route. I can't even start the route with this rogue package. And they're like, I'm sorry. Finally, I told support, cancel the whole damn trip for me. And they're telling me, well, these are the steps you do to cancel it. They told me I'd be compensated for it. So I have no clue how much I'm going to be making. How much are they going to compensate me for the at least half an hour or more that I've wasted of my night? So much for that $101 delivery. I'm pissed. And they say they've been having that quite a bit lately. It's like all these packages will scan, and there'll be this one package in a route that won't. It's been happening more and more lately, and I'm like, oh, this is bullshit. I'm not doing any more routed deliveries. Not for a while. We'll wait and see if that issue gets solved. This is the second time that this has happened to me this week. Second time in a week. Oh my. Well, let's see what else is out there. Or do I launch DoorDash? I'm just so disgusted right now. Well, I just got a shopping order on DoorDash. There it is. Not bad. Low miles, 2.2 miles. Hell yeah. So we're going to go do this shopping order. I tell you what, that like took the steam out of me. Took my drive away. And there's orders popping up, routed deliveries on Spark right now, and I ain't touching them. Well, let's go get this shot. So I got this add-on. It was only supposed to be one item. Then they added other items. And I'm looking in my tasks and it's like, is this the same person? Almost feels like the same person. And I almost passed this up again. Everything else is supposed to be for customer A. Or customer B, rather. There's one thing for customer A down there. Now they want frozen bananas, out of that shop because it was just so, I don't know. I'm so used to Instacart. I think that's the issue. Anyhow, let's go on to this delivery. I forgot to hit record. So you get to see this view of me. Okay, let's get these delivered. Well, I decided to call it a night. It's almost 8 p.m. I'm done. I'm tired. Besides that, I got some things like laundry that I've been neglecting that I have to get done. So I'm gonna go home and do some things. Finish editing a video from yesterday. So, when I get home, we will go over the numbers for today. Okay, let's see how well I did today. First of all, my hourly rate sucked. But then again, not totally my fault. That hang up at Walmart, I'm still irritated over that. Because when I went back through and I remembered the timeline, it was more like an hour wasted. But I was still on the clock, so I still counted it in my earnings. But on DoorDash, I made $34. On Spark, I made $69.09. And on Instacart, $8.18. For the grand total of $111.27. 6.5 hours worked, $17.12 per hour. It's just that disaster there at Walmart. I still can't get over that. So I look at it as I lost $101. But that's what I have for you. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like. And if you're new to my channel, hit that thumbs up button. I am so close to hitting my 1,000 subscriber mark. I've already got over 4,000 watch time hours to become monetized. It's a free way for you to support my channel. I love you all, and I'll see you in the next grind.